Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to install iOS 27 public beta on your iPhone. Let's have a look. For this video I am using iPhone 17 and iOS 26. First open Safari on your iPhone. Search for iOS 27 public beta and hit iOS 27 public beta. Now you need to tap Apple Beta Software Program. On this page, scroll down little bit and tap Sign Up. Enter your Apple ID and password and tap Sign In. Scroll down Agreement section and tap Agree. Again scroll down and find out Get Started. Simply you need to tap blue highlighted Enroll your iOS device. Now scroll down and tap Open Beta Updates. This will open up beta updates from iPhone settings. You can see iOS 27 public beta. Also you can see iOS 27 developer beta. Choose iOS 27 public beta. Now go back. When new updates available, you will see iOS 27 beta version for update. Tap Update Now, tap Agree and tap Agree. This will start requesting your update, and after some time you will see about 30 minutes remaining depending internet speed. Preparing updates. Finally, you will see iOS 27 beta version downloaded. Tap Install. Your phone will reboot and start installing new updates. After some time, you will see Swipe up to continue. Tap Continue. Software update complete. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 27.0. Go with on-screen instructions and tap Get Started. That's it. These are the steps to install iOS 27 public beta on your iPhone.